Hello WRCC fans, and it's the third one of the week and probably the most special out of them all, or it's certainly the most expensive, and we'll just get that point out of the way first. Yes, it is expensive because it's a full brand new spanking out of the box build. So if you're wanting to jump the queue, not having to wait 2 or 3 years for a new Traveller turnkey, then this is the one for you. 4 new wings. It's easier to say what's not being replaced on it because everything has. So it's got new ash frame, new internal trims as you can see, 4 new wings, new tyres, new trims, new chrome, new paint. As you can see, it is a top quality paint job in base coat and lacquer. Go around her again. All new chrome. The original engine's been reconditioned gearbox, new clutch, new wiring loom. It's been stripped to the last nut and bolt and built from the ground up, so to speak. The story of the car: the current owner has owned it for 50 years, and he's only the second keeper. It was his family car 50 years ago, put in the garage and then restored. He's since bought a very expensive camper van just before this was finished, and his wife has told him to sell it on to pay for it. So 2 previous keepers, original reconditioned engine. I'll show you the mileage in a minute. 63,000 I think it is, if not in the early 60s. 1968. Just look at the quality of the paint work. Absolutely brilliant, if we do say so ourselves. So it's showing, yep, 62,859, so 63 I wasn't far away. New carpets, new parcel shelf. It's had a new full interior kit. So the glove box liners, all the dashboards all been painted. The interior is a couple of shades out, but I think it looks really good. Brand spanking new leather, not vinyl, it is leather as well. All the trims all new, cards all new, headlining's all new and perfect. The engine runs absolutely lovely. 2 inertious belts. Right, if you look at the aperture and all the gutters and everything, all clean as a whistle. Stainless steel upgrade on the sill covers. We'll give her a start. So, as I said, all the inner wings and whatnot have all been replaced. Bulkheads all clean, new wiring loom, servo and alternator fitted, so you don't need to worry about that. An electronic ignition. The bulkhead, everything you can see under here is all new and all clean and shiny and all refurbished. If it hasn't been replaced, I'll just put the bonnet back down, just so you can see that shine on the paint again. It's absolutely out of the world, this car. If you're looking for something very, 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 very special, then this is the one for you. Same again. The finish on the interior. Is all brand spanking new, clean, tidy, just ready for a new keeper to begin the next chapter in its life. So it's on at 32,500. So taking into consideration, before you say how much, which a few people have when we advertised it through Instagram, consider it £65 an hour that we charge to build a car from scratch like this, including all the parts. It's actually quite cheap. You'd be into at least 40 grand, as well as having to wait 2 or 3 years. And I am not lying, if you come and have a look at this car, as a serious buyer, you'll walk away with it, because I absolutely love it. And if I didn't already have a stable of mine as myself, which we'll go around in a minute, I would take it home in a heartbeat. So, as always, for further details, visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk. The advert should be live today. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk or call WRCC Minor Centre on 01422881221 and ask for Dan in sales. That's me, and I would be more than happy to give you any details, do a WhatsApp walk around video, send you pictures. But come up, get in your car, come up to Halifax, have a look at this, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed. And somebody in the last video that we did has asked us to do a bit of a quick walk around, which is going to extend the length of the video a little bit. So they've asked us to do a quick walk around of what we've got, what we're doing. So what we are doing a light refurbishment on this Maroon Beak convertible, which is going to be for sale within the next week or two. We've got a full build going. This porcelain green pickup, disc brakes, new engine and gearbox, galvanised chassis, as new. This is one if you're looking for something special, something really special, and you're an LCV stroke van enthusiast, then that's one for you. Give us a call and I'll talk you through it. And then back round the blue one, and then they've asked to see what I've got in the showroom, our lovely new showroom, the nice new flooring. So we've got new arrival that came on Friday, split screen traveller, just looking for a new home. So if you're after something a bit different or a bit rare, that's one for you. Give us a call. This absolutely excellent porcelain green, almond green two-door. It's on the website. Smoke grey convertible. The four-door that I've just put on today. The almond green four-door. The racer that shouldn't really be here. The teal blue two-door. Old English white four-door. And another build going on, or another refurbishment that's going on, which is the black four-door, which got a 1275 and a 5-speed gearbox. We've also got another convertible that's been prepared. It's Old English white, red interior, red hood, ever popular. So if you're interested in one of those, give us a call as well. So further details, 01422 881 221. Ask for Dan in sales. If you want something special, which probably one of the best travellers available on the market at the minute, then give us a call. Thanks, bye.